Now I'm going to introduce you our collection of handles, shower handles. This is 4 centimeters. This is 60 centimeters, which is long. 40 centimeters. This is 20 centimeters. Stainless steel. Stainless steel. Stainless steel. Stainless steel. It is a very traditional one, but with single hole. So there's stainless steel, and we have 2 holes handles. It is a very popular model in our shower screens that we are selling to Middle East. So this is a beautiful, and this is the highest quality. Solid brass. The surface is brushed. It's high class shower handle. It's a traditional ones. At the bottom we have the single door shower handles. Plastic white, plastic gray, and silver. Steel plastic, and bright chrome. This is made of zinc alloy. This is stainless steel. Plastic with chrome plated. This is with zinc alloy. Alright, this is our display wall for the handles. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. If you are interested, please feel free to contact me. Thank you. Bye bye.